Nothing beats cold in the winter like a piping hot cup of ginger tea. With its high levels of vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals, ginger root is extremely beneficial for health. Once made into tea, you can add peppermint, honey, or lemon to mask the taste of the ginger. Here's why you should have this soothing beverage.
We begin this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this, and turn on notifications, so you never miss our new videos.
Relieve nausea. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness. You can also drink a cuppa at the first sign of nausea to relieve the symptom. Improve stomach performance. Useful in improving digestion and increasing absorption of food, ginger tea can bloating after eating too much. Reduce inflammation. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscle and joint problems. In addition to drinking ginger tea, you can also use it to soak inflamed joints.
Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.
Fight respiratory problems. Ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold. Try a cup of ginger tea for the respiratory symptoms associated with environmental allergies. Improve blood circulation. The vitamins, minerals, and amino acids in ginger tea can help restore and improve blood circulation that may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular problems. Ginger may prevent fat from depositing in the arteries, helping to prevent heart attacks and stroke. Relieve menstrual discomfort. This one is for all women suffering from menstrual cramps. Try soaking a towel in warm ginger tea and apply it to your lower abdomen. It may help relieve the pain and relax the muscles. At the same time, drink a cup of ginger tea with honey. Strengthen immunity. Ginger tea can help strengthen your immunity due to the high levels of antioxidants in ginger. Relieve stress. Ginger tea has calming properties that may help lower your stress and tension. This is thought to be due to a combination of the strong aroma and healing properties.